They got me to thinking about a bunch of things, but in 5 minutes, I'm going to try to talk to you a little bit about community needs being met, and where environmental education and action kind of meet in my mind. I'm here representing Share LiveWell, which is a part of the bigger LiveWell Colorado initiative around healthy eating and active living. And so when I think about why I would be sitting here with all these very cool people, I couldn't believe it when I saw the list. I'm really passionate to briefly explain why these things have to go together. We can't imagine a community or a world where young people, parents, families, our elders are thriving outside of a healthy environment. And so while every community has a unique need, and I do think we owe it to community to do some digging and figure out what those needs are authentically. The other thing I want to say to you is we could talk about the why all day, right? And we probably agree that we want sustainable communities, that we want places where people can thrive and young people have an option. They can come back if they want and be employed and thrive in their own community, or they can go elsewhere. And we also want to think about long-term, future needs and kind of position ourselves for those things. And so there are 3 strategies that we employ with a mission around supporting and strengthening healthy lifestyles in Northeast Denver neighborhoods. More specifically, that 80205 zip code. And if you've been listening to some environmentalists, some health activists, folks that are related to our industry, you know that you can pretty much predict the health of a community based on the zip code. 3 strategies, the how. So we have a WISE Council. The WISE Council is comprised of members, residents of the community, as well as nonprofit organizations. Another strategy is that we have this network we're trying to create amongst our partners. So, you know, we may have a partner as Share LiveWell, but we also want to encourage our partners to partner. And that has something to do with the web, that whole idea that we're all able to leverage the resources. We may not all have everything we need, but we know Redline can give us space for an exhibit, or we know Groundwork might have some youth who are interested in a project in the community, and they also earn some money. And then partner network. So I kind of talked about 2 strategies at one time. The last thing I want to talk about is our community organizing, and that really feels like partnering amongst residents. So this is a way for residents, which we've had a block captain program as well as a Neighbors Together program, where folks come together and learn about local agriculture, learn about Food Cottage Act, learn how to grow and how to leverage what they have. So we start looking at our community as an asset-based place, not some place that has a bunch of need, a bunch of lack. Because you know, when we put that out there, that's what we get back, right? Oh, we need, oh, we don't have, and we find that we keep not having and we keep needing. And so those are a couple of the strategies we employ. What is really interesting to me is how community needs seem to shift, especially in Northeast Denver, where there's a huge transition that's happening in gentrification. So what we needed when we started this initiative in 80205 many years back might not be exactly what we need today. And so while we are evolving, we still have to remember to go back and check ourselves on community needs and how we're able to support and strengthen the community through our work. big umbrella idea, and then I'm stopping, is for now is this idea that what we really want to do is engage the whole community authentically.